Hey everybody, it's Jason with All-Star Welding, back at you with another exciting video. So it's a pretty crummy day. It's overcast, it's been raining all day, and I have been going and looking at jobs. It's 12:45 and I've looked at 4 jobs so far today. 3 of them are handrails, and I know I've got 2 of those have already been approved. Waiting to hear on the 3rd one, and then the 4th job I've got to run over to Clemson and look at a job over there for a new restaurant that's opening up. Well, I mean, I say it's a restaurant. It's an outdoor seating area that's permanent for a food truck that's going to back into the lot. It's pretty cool. He makes delicious barbecue. Oh my God, it smells so good. First time I went over there, I spent a lot of the time talking to the owner's wife, right next to the food truck, and my shirt still smells like that barbecue. Golly. But so I got that job. I'm just doing a little skirting at the bottom of this storage unit, or a storage container, that they're going to use as a bathroom slash storage room slash widescreen TVs on the outside of it when you pop open the door. But I've got to go back, and they're going to need a handrail. I don't know what it is about me and handrails lately. I'm like the handrail king of Oconee County, but that's okay. I love doing handrails. That I get to get a little creative, come up with some good designs, things that they want, they like, and need, and let's see if I can back into this space next to this Amazon truck. Man, like a glove. Like a glove. Anyway, so I'm gonna go get some lunch, and I'm at my favorite place, Ingles, and I'm gonna go inside, get some lunch, and continue with my day. It's been pretty crazy, but anyway, just want to make a little short video about my day in the life of a mobile welder. Okay, so got lunch taken care of. That's some good eating over there. But man, this weather today, a nice little storm front came through. It dropped the temperature down pretty low. I had to go put a shirt on. But so now I'm going to a guy's house that I finished up his handrail on Friday, and it's Monday now. So I'm going over there to pick up a check. My steel supplier called me and said that the steel that I ordered for my project, for my handrail project that I'm doing Thursday, is here. So I'm going to, when I go get this check, I'm going to go drop that in the bank, Then I'm going to head over to my supplier, and I'm going to go ahead and pay for that steel. And it is raining, so I really want to leave that steel over there so I'm not riding around with it in my truck in the rain getting rusty. But I may go ahead and grab about 2 or 3 of the sticks. They're 20 feet long because I've got 11 posts and 11 base plates to make. So I can do that in the shop while it's raining. Just some nice, shop work, keep me busy. But look, I wanted to impart a little bit of my wisdom and knowledge and my experience on you. Many years ago, I had a pressure washing business, and after about a year, I had a crew working for me, and what I would do is, while they were out working, on the jobs that I had on the books, I was spending time on the business rather than in the business. And so that brings me up to a day like today when it's raining. Just because it's raining, don't just go home, sit on the couch and watch TV. Even if you don't have stuff that you can do in the shop like I do today, what's this guy doing? Just find something to do. If you got a shop like I do, spend the day cleaning the shop. Sweep the floors, put tools up, hang stuff up on the hooks where they're supposed to be. Or if you work out of a truck, reorganize your truck. Make sure everything is where it's supposed to be on your truck so that you can find it quickly. Wrap up your cords, make sure that your supplies in the truck are stocked up. Your grinding wheels, your cutoff wheels, your tiger paws, all that kind of stuff. Just find work to do. The trick is to stay busy and work on your business when you can't work in your business. And I learned back from my pressure washing days, I picked this little tip up from a friend of mine that worked for a fluorescent light company, and or he had his own little fluorescent light company, and when work was getting a little bit slow, he had the most genius idea. Him and his girlfriend would ride around in his truck at night, late at night, not too late, but late at night, 8 to 10, 11 o'clock, and he would ride around and he would look for fluorescent signs that are blinking. Parts of them don't come on. Maybe he can tell that there was, some fluorescent tubes that needed to be changed. He would write all these down, and the next day his girlfriend would write all these down, get costs up for them, and he would take that list and he would go back that same route the next day, and he would drop off cards, he would leave estimates, he would talk to the owners, and say, look, I was riding around last night and I noticed that, you know, the M on your sign that says motel is flashing. You know, we can take care of that. It's probably this or that. And he picked up so much work just from doing that, and after he told me about that, I said, okay, how can I relate that to my pressure washing business? And I would just go out, you know, if I wasn't doing anything, or if I was on the way back from a job or the way to a job or something, I would see something, and I had a little tape recorder, and when I'd see something, I would talk into the tape recorder. Hey, you know, so and so church has, you know, some nasty looking stairs, and he tried to do I tried to do one estimate a day, and that doesn't take a whole lot of work. If you just do one estimate a day, you might not get the approval right then, especially if it's a business or it's a church, you know, something like that, where they have to meet with a committee, you know, get things approved, you know, and all that kind of stuff. But eventually, if you do one estimate a day, after about a month or maybe 2 months, your phone is going to ring every day, and it's going to be somebody approving an estimate that you gave 2 months ago. And so in the welding business, especially if you're mobile, while you're riding around, go past these neighborhoods that have gates. Look at their gates, see if it got hit by a car. Look at some parking balusters that got hit by a car. Look for a business like a car lot or something like that, you know, that's got gates that they close at night. Maybe they meet up like this, you know, just ride around and look for stuff. And I guarantee you, before too long, you will have a list of people, and you know, don't overwhelm yourself trying to do all these estimates all in one day. Just do one a day. One a day is all it takes, and your phone is going to ring off the hook, and you're going to start getting a lot of work really, really fast. But you got to go out and look for it. You got to find it, and you got to write it up, you know, and just cold call. And eventually, a lot of these people are going to turn into repeat customers for you. But so I'm going to go ahead and end this little segment now, because I'm about to pull up to this fella's house. But we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so that was pretty cool. Went over to his house, picked up a check for about $3,500, and not only was he happy to write the check for me, his wife baked a tin of Christmas cookies for me. How sweet is that? I didn't have the heart to tell them that I have diabetes, so that tin of cookies might get re-gifted to one of my customers to show my appreciation to them, and they're going to turn around and say, man, you know that Jason, he's a swell guy, he brought me some cookies. What a nice fella. But and then, you know, maybe they don't like cookies. They might turn around and gift that to one of their customers. You know, I don't know. Isn't that what they do with fruitcakes? I don't know. I'm one of those oddballs that actually likes fruitcakes. There's a local, there's a really big Mennonite community around here, and there's a company that they have that makes fruitcakes, and oh my God, that is some of the most delicious fruitcake. You know, it's not like what you get at Walmart. No, this fruitcake has got real whole pecans in it, real nuts, real fruit, not just, you know, mango flavored tofu or whatever they use. You know, this is pure 100% delicious ingredients in these cakes. But which, you know what, that gives me an idea. I may go buy some of those, because I've done a lot of work for that bakery, and I bet you if I talk to the right fella, he might make me a deal, and I'll go buy 15 or 20 of those fruitcakes and go take them around to some of my customers. But good Lord, I can't see where I'm going. Anyway, so got that taken care of. Now I'm on the way to the bank to drop this check off, and then I'm gonna go to my steel supplier and I'm gonna pay for that order, and maybe pick up a couple of sticks, and then I'm gonna go to the shop and I'm gonna make handrail posts for the rest of the day. It's about 3 o'clock, so I don't know how many I'll get made. Oh well, I'm sure I'll get all my posts cut, and I'll get those stacked up in the corner while I make some base plates. So anyway, so that's just a quick video, day in the life of mobile / shop welder. What do we do when it's raining? Work doesn't stop. You know, if you keep an eye on the weather. If you know that 3 days of rain is coming, plan ahead. Plan what you're gonna do on those 3 days when it's raining. Because I guarantee you've got something you can do. Whether you're out doing estimates, straightening your truck up, cleaning your shop, making parts for a project that you got coming up, maybe finishing a project. I wouldn't do any painting, but anyway, all I'm saying is, just because it's raining is not a free pass to take the day off unless you just want to, and or unless there's a good football game on or something. But anyway, so this is Jason with All Star Welding signing out. Y'all have a great weekend.